Well, I'm with Neil at the Trafalgar Holden Museum, and I'm standing in front of is this a HJ or HQ? HJ.
More like it'd be a HJ.
Yeah, I just looked at the nose of it. It's definitely not a HQ, and it's an ambulance. And back in the day, I guess they were more prone to adapt sort of passenger type vehicles into ambulances rather than have them purpose built as we see on the roads today. But this one's a little bit special, isn't it?
This one is very special. It's an aftermarket 3-door, so you would buy yourself a 2-door panel van and then take it down to a body works, and they would convert it to a 3-door, which is, as you can see, it's been added on there, and fairly crudely at that.
Well, let's just step back and let the people see. This is the third door for the Mount Isa ambulance service, and obviously this is what you would normally get on your panel van. You'd have the front door here and the passenger door, and it's only on this side. This makes it a 3-door panel van. What was the purpose of the third door?
The purpose was that you could put your patient in the back of the panel van, and the nurse or the doctor or the undertaker, depending, could sit in a little jockey seat in there and do whatever they've got to do with the patient and travelling.
Slowly lift the sheet over the eyes as you passed on.
We joke about it, but yeah.
Well, it doesn't look all that comfortable back there. Room for one patient.
One patient and one attendee, yes.
And so this actually saw service, I'm guessing, judging by it came from the Mount Isa ambulance service.
Yes, we believe so. When we got it, all we had was the body up into the windscreen, and we've had to sort of weld on a whole new front end, and we've restored it. Or one of our guys has. Marvellous old man. He came in here for quite a long time, 85 years old, and he's still fooling around with old motor cars. How good is that?
It is an 85-year-old. Well, look, if he got into trouble, he'd just have to call you out to get in the car and take you to the hospital. An 85-year-old restored this, and it came up to this part here.
The bodywork was stopped there when we got it. It was just a shell, and pretty well everything that's gone into it from there, he did it.
So he had to get a donor front end too.
We had a donor front end, and in actual fact, it was a HQ front end that went in there. But
that's why you hesitated when I asked you, is it a HQ or
yeah, we're calling it a HJ. So
HJ. HJ, I'm good with that. And this, I can have a look at the dashboard. Well, yeah, possibly it could be the model after. It could be the HX, judging by the instruments inside.
We'll run with anything.
It's a H something.
Yeah, we're not going to let the truth stand in the way of a good story, are we?
No, we're not. And so it's quite a remarkable job. And this is the original colours of it. It was in this yellow with the red.
Yes, that was the original colours of it.
And then the 83-year-old that restored this, he did the paintwork and everything?
Did all of the paintwork himself, did all the bodywork himself, yeah.
It's remarkable. He's done an outstanding job. It looks absolutely fantastic. Well, I hope I don't have to ride back to town in this thing. Neil, thank you once again for showing us this fantastic ambulance. It looks great. It's a I think it's a HX, but we'll go with the HJ. And thank you again. If you want to see this ambulance, and there are plenty more cars down here, come to the Trafalgar Holden Motor Museum, and I'm sure Neil, he's a great host and he'd love to see you down here. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.